Have you ever felt like your life follows a pattern you can't quite see? Like there is a hidden script written in the stars, detailing where you have been and where you are destined to go? Welcome to Soul of the Cosmos. Today, we're opening the door to the ultimate source of truth, the Akashic Records. Many of you were captivated by our quick guide, but a journey this deep requires more than a moment. It requires a blueprint. In this video, we're launching a 7-day spiritual intensive to help you not just visit the records, but master the art of reading your soul's history. Before we enter, we must understand the environment. What is the Akasha? The Akasha is the mysterious and powerful cosmic energy that flows through the universe. It is a universal field of information that connects all living things. Think of it as a celestial library, but instead of books, it is composed of light and vibration. Every thought you have ever had, every emotion you felt, and every soul contract you've signed is etched into this field. By tapping into this energy, we can access profound insights for healing and growth. The biggest obstacle to the Akashic Records isn't a lack of ability, it is the noise of the ego. Your ego will tell you that you're making it up or that you aren't spiritual enough to enter. To bypass this, we must shift our vibration. In the next 7 days, we will train your brain to recognize the difference between an ego-based thought and an Akashic revelation. The records speak in a frequency of neutral, unconditional love. If you hear judgment, you are in your head. If you feel peace, you are in the records. Step 1. Finding your sanctuary. You cannot tune into the cosmos while surrounded by chaos. To begin, you must find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This is your physical anchor. By choosing a dedicated space, you tell your subconscious that it is safe to expand. Light a candle, hold a piece of selenite, or simply sit in the darkness. Your environment is the container for your experience. Step 2. Grounding the frequency. Once seated, you must stabilize your energy. Begin by grounding yourself through deep, mindful breathing. Let's do this together now. Inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs and your spirit. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension from your day. Imagine roots extending from the base of your spine, traveling deep into the crystalline core of the earth. As you breathe, feel the cosmic energy rising up through those roots, filling your body with a steady white light. You are now a pillar of light, connected to the earth below and the heavens above. Step 3. The key of intention. To open the gate, you must set a clear intention to connect with the Akashic Records for your highest good. Intent is the vibration that directs the flow of energy. Without a clear question or purpose, the information can feel overwhelming. You might use a specific prayer or affirmation to focus your energy. Speak these words with me now, with absolute conviction. I ask to be connected with the Akashic Records and to receive information that is for my highest good and the highest good of all. Sit in the vibration of those words for a moment. Feel the shift in the room. You have just been granted access. Step 4. The art of seeing. Now that you are inside, how do you receive the information? It is rarely like watching a movie, it's more like a remembering. You may see symbols, an ancient key, a book, or a specific star system. You may hear a name or a single word repeated in your mind. Or you might simply feel a profound sense of knowing. Don't analyze it yet, just observe. In day 3 of our journey, we will specifically cover how to decode these symbols. For today, your only job is to stay in the energy. This is day 1 of your 7-day Akashic Blueprint. You have learned how to prepare your space, ground your breath and use the sacred invocation to enter the field. Over the next 6 days, we will release daily shorts to guide you further, from identifying your soul group to healing past life trauma and clearing energetic blocks. If you're ready to reclaim your soul's history, subscribe and join the Soul of the Cosmos community. Check the pinned comment for today's journaling prompt to help you record your first session. Stay curious, stay grounded, stay luminous.